not every birthday, you know. But I'm going to get my hair done, and we're trying this new thing. It's like onion oil. Is that right? I don't know, but we're gonna be washing my hair, conditioning it, and so when I wash my hair, I'm gonna show ya. Bye. See you when I get my hair done, washed.
Okay, y'all, let's get into it. As y'all can see, I'm parting her hair. Cody got so much hair. Oh my goodness, it'd be giving me a headache every time I do her hair. She got a lot of hair. So I'm doing a cute little style on her. I'm just parting the back. I want to part it in sections to make it easier for me to do. Okay, next I'm going to be detangling the back of her hair. I usually use like a leave-in conditioner to detangle it just so it's easier to work with. And I got my detangler brush there. So, you know, got to get all the kinks out before I style. Okay, next you guys are going to be seeing me do some twists. I added beads in the back of her hair. She wanted beads. I love when I put beads on her hair. Okay, so I'm pretty sure y'all trying to figure out what I'm using to put the beads on. So I'm using a bead feeder. It sometimes works for thicker hair, sometimes it doesn't. Cody has really thick hair, and I was struggling to put these beads on the back of her hair, but it worked out. So I'm just I added like 4 beads on each twist. Oh yes, get into the hair. Yes. Okay, hair get real long.
Bruh.
Okay, so now we're getting somewhere. So I slicked down the front because I wanted to make sure I did 2 pigtails in the front. And then I added 4 twists on each side. Well, you're going to see later on in the video that I added like 4 twists on each pigtail. But right now I'm just feeding in the beads. Like I said before, I use 4 beads on each twist. And I'm just separating her hair and making sure that each twist has an even amount of hair, I guess you could say. So yeah, stay tuned for the finished product because Cody just looks so cute when I finish. She just looks so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, now that we're getting down to the final look, I did the same thing that I did on this side like I did on the other side. I added 4 twists, added 4 beads at the end. I added little bobos because I think bobos are just like the cutest thing on little girls. So yeah, so now I'm about to just slick her edges down so she doesn't walk around looking crazy. Getting her baby hairs all the way together. And I'm gonna do a little swoop because Cody loves when her baby hairs are swooped to the side and laid to the side and up and down, all of that good stuff. Okay. Yeah, turn around again. Put your head down. Put it back. Okay, shake it. Yeah.